Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to download and use Revanced Manager app to patch. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the browser of your choice. So right here, you just have to type in Revanced Manager APK. Click on the first website here. So you're going to see the latest version and the download sign there. Just click on it. Confirm you want to download. So it's going to take a few time. You just have to allow it to download to your device. So the next thing you have to do is to click on the open option here. Click on the install in order to install it to your device. The next step you can take is to click on the open option. So from here you just have to grant the permission, allow from this source. Okay, you also grant permission for notifications, so I always get notified if there's any message from Revanced Manager. Okay, you can also let app run in the background, though I don't want to, so you can just skip for now. Skip anyway. So the next step you can take here is to configure automatic update to keep manager and patch up to date. So you just click on the next option here. So from this section you can patch your app or skip for now, and maybe later you patch. You want to patch your app, all you have to do is to go to your browser. So on my browser here, I have to just go and type in revanced GM score. I'll search. So click on the first website here. So you click on the download option here. So you just click on download for other device, because I'm not making use of our, so I don't need to download for my Android is not our or it's on my device. So just click for other device. So it will take time to download. You just have to be patient. So having downloaded the app, you can also install it on your device. You can see mine is already here. Just click on the app and install it on your device. So it will take a few seconds to install. So you click on the done option here. So you can now go back to your Revanced Manager. So from here you can now select the particular app you want to patch to your Revanced Manager and start making use of it. So guys, that's it on how to download and use Revanced Manager app to patch. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.